Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into our daily analysis on Milady Memecoin. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is happening and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Milady's as of June 19th, 2023, you guys can see still about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 41,221. We are down once again about 4.2% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. But if we're looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative, we're down about 6.3% in Bitcoin and 5.4% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, on the other hand, currently sitting at $36.5 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $8.1 million. So right off the bat, compared to the previous days, we have seen the trading volume decrease quite significantly, and that is something that we can point out right now for the price of Ladies. But now, we're going to look a little further into the price, see what is happening on the daily. But if we're looking at their Twitter, no announcement as of now, still about 66.6k followers. But this is something I wanted to share with you guys. So you guys can see a whale chart came out and posted this earlier today, and it says breaking: BlackRock will partner with Coinbase for their Bitcoin ETF. And this is humongous news, guys. This is good for Coinbase as well as the entire crypto space itself. And of course, it's pushing Bitcoin towards mass adoption. Applying for an ETF, remember, the only reason as to why they're doing it is because they see demand. Institution, as Bitcoin halving is coming, institutions are going to be getting, requested by massive retail interest that's going to be coming in for this. And, what better time to get a Bitcoin ETF right before the Bitcoin halving? So that is a humongous news that is worthwhile covering. But if we're looking at its holder count today, you guys can see nothing has changed. We're still at around the same holders as to where we were yesterday, so that is a great thing to see. But you guys know what time it is. It is time for the price. We're going to be analyzing the charts right now, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So looking at its market cap right now, currently sitting at 36.6 million. So we are below that $40 million mark, which is no secret at this point. So we're going to be talking about what is happening and where I could expect the price of Ladies heading in the immediate short term. So let's look at it from its monthly high. So monthly high was around the 60.29 mark, which is close to $55 million market cap, and that's where we were just on June 17th, which was 2 days ago. Since then, we have seen a retracement of about 40% for the price of Ladies. So you guys can see it's no secret at this point that Ladies has seen a significant retracement within its price. And am I worried right now? Could I see the price of Ladies going down? That is a question that might be on everyone's mind, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys on that. But before we get into that, I just want to say, if you still picked some up at the beginning of June 5th, after seeing a massive sell-off, you guys can see you're still up about 120%. And let this be a reminder for everyone. I was literally giving you guys around this range, around these levels. I was saying, guys, lock those profits in. If you're sitting at some profits, why not? And some people came out and said, no, I don't want to lock in profits until I reach 6 to 7x. And guess what? That is what you call greed. And I'm sure everyone that was sitting at some profits around here that did not take profits is now looking back at June 17th and regretting it. I'm sure there are some of those people. And again, people are not going to learn. Some people will never learn. But, on my channel, if you're a viewer on my channel and a supporter, put that, thinking aside where you think that, the price is just going to keep going up. You're going to miss out. Absolutely not. Lock those profits in when you can, because now you could be picking up some, ladies, at a 40% dip. And look where we're finding ourselves being supported at. So, we are being supported at the same level of resistance that was coming up on our, upside when we were breaking towards the top. But, we are seeing a little bit of a bounce since today's low, of course, because Bitcoin is moving. We have seen, ladies, bounce up 15% from today's low, which was at 3616 mark. And right now, Bitcoin is breaking out $27,000 BTC. Things are starting to look really, really bullish for the entire market. We're hearing a lot of bullish news coming in for the crypto space. So that could be the indication that, as to why we're seeing Bitcoin push back and potentially could be heading back into the 61.8. But look at the dominance, 50%, guys. Dominance has reached 50%, and majority of the altcoins right now are up. It's no secret at this point. Majority of the altcoins are up right now. If we go look at the markets, majority of them are up. But, in BTC comparatives, everything is lagging because the dominance has hit a new yearly high. So that really shows the amount of interest Bitcoin really has within itself. And, that's been the case for quite some few months now. But what is next for ladies? So now, basically, what you guys are seeing this right in front of your eyes, as you can see, that dip that we saw back on June 16th, we're literally seeing resistance coming up on our side. Of course, ladies is breaking towards the upside. Like I said, up 15% for the day. The reason being, Bitcoin is moving towards the upside. So of course it's following the USD comparative, the overall momentum. If we push out of here, we could possibly be heading back to this 5129 cents mark really, really fast, to be quite frank with you guys. And that is a move of about 23%. So we will take it one step at a time. Right now, that is the target I would be looking at for the price of, ladies. If we break out of there, then we could be heading for a new monthly high. So things can really start getting very exciting. But remember, this is part of the game. These type of corrections will happen, and of course, because of Bob, that news that has come out where Elon Musk suspended Bob's automated account, the AI account. That has really impacted the meme coin market more than a lot of people expect. A lot of people are coming in on my videos saying, how is that even possible? Ladies has nothing to do with Bob. But again, he has such a huge impact on the space, and it's not a good thing. I don't think Elon Musk having that much momentum is a good thing. And what he has done with Bob, I'm not supporting it. I'm not saying it's a good thing, but that is a risk factor that can happen to any project. If he were to come and tweet tomorrow and say Pepe is a scam, think about it. If he were to come and say Pepe was a scam, that might not even be the case. Pepe, I think it's going to be very revolutionary, this bull cycle. In the future, who knows if they're going to bring a utility? But again, that's my own personal opinion. But who knows what he can say? So that really shows that this can happen to any project. So it's very, very important to see what he's saying. But again, at the same time, what he's doing is not ethical in my opinion. But that is it for today's update. And also one thing, reason as to why I think it's unethical is because he knows that can impact the price to crash like literally right away. So that is meme coins for you. Of course, like I've said from the beginning, 99.9% of the meme coins will end up failing, but that does not mean this bull run you can't make some profits. But with that said, you always want to invest where you can afford to lose. Always do your own due diligence and research. If you have done that, patience is your #1 key to follow. But that is it for today's analysis. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, where you could see the price of ladies going at the end of tomorrow. Let me know down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.